In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download your Mailchimp campaign as a PDF so you can archive, share, or save your emails exactly as they appear to your subscribers. First, log into your Mailchimp account and head to the campaigns section. From here, select the campaign you want and click View Email. Now, find the View in Browser link, usually at the top or bottom of the email, and open it in a new tab for a clean version. With the email open, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open the print menu. Change the printer destination to Save as PDF, then click Save and choose where you'd like the file stored on your device. That's it. You've downloaded your Mailchimp campaign as a PDF with all formatting intact. Repeat this process anytime you want to archive or share your campaigns. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Mailchimp tips.